Hey, welcome to the life of a small dog in his happy blue Christmas sweater. Sometimes you just gotta get out and sniff around a bit. Some of the most important parts of my day happen while watching this guy sniff at the grass. Like a kitten could visit. Or a little Boston Terrier nobody's keeping an eye on. No kitten today, no Boston Terrier today. Lots of puddles. What you doing, Blondie? That's not his name, and he knows it, so he knows he doesn't have to answer. Are you done? Okay, come on, boy. I hear kids. Still sniffing even up on the deck. Whatever children were making happy children noises have gone on their little way. Birds are making noises. Other dogs are making noises. But he needs to be aware of them because that's what dogs do. Isn't that true? He's not much listening to me right now. I need to go in and cook some ground beef. I really don't like ground beef. I've had it far more often than I would like, but it is beef. And so it's an adequate meal on a carnivore diet. Oh, excuse me, yawning again. And for some unknown reason, my husband thinks ground beef is like the perfect meal for everybody, whether they want it or not. However, at the moment, what's in there is because the daughter bought it, and we need to feed teenagers as well as the husband. My husband. So I guess I'm gonna make some taco meat or something. Oh, somebody's hammering. Huh, puppy? You ready to go in? No, I'm still sniffing right here. Buddy, we need to go in. We gotta cook supper. Y'all need supper too. So, make something healthy to eat. You know, different versions of what you think is healthy, whatever. And if you're somewhere cold, I do recommend eating something hot. Take care of yourselves. Grandma and the little dog in the Happy Christmas sweater want you to be okay.